subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The OnePlus Watch is the brand's first and the only smartwatch. It was announced alongside the OnePlus 9 series in late March. The wearable comes in two colors, midnight black, moonlight silver. But recently, the company launched a Cobalt limited edition in China. It is also expected to release a Harry Potter limited edition. But ahead of the latter's announcement, OnePlus has officially revealed to launch the OnePlus Watch Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition in its home country on May 24th. We know the existence of the OnePlus Watch Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition since November 2020. In a different timeline, this version of the wearable would have debuted alongside the OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition. Because the watch was supposed to launch alongside the OnePlus 8T in October, this special edition was thought to be cancelled, but it is not the case. OnePlus has confirmed to launch the OnePlus Watch Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition in China on May 24th. The wearable will be available for pre-order starting at 8 p.m. local time on the announcement day itself. This version of the OnePlus Watch will have yellow accents and a cyberpunk branding on its strap. It will be also coming with the game-inspired watch faces, theme, and boot animation. Apart from these, we expect it to come with the exact same set of features as the regular model. Unfortunately, we are not sure whether this special variant will be made available in global markets. That's because the OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition was exclusive to China. However, limited quantities, only 10, were sold in Malaysia via lucky draw. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.